各位同学，大家好，我是理查英语通的理查老师。我们今天要分享的英语新闻主题为 Czech scientists say fireworks create a toxic shower of dangerous chemicals. 紧接着，我们进入到新闻文章的部分。Fireworks are certainly beautiful to watch, but they have a high impact on the ecosystem. Scientists from the Czech Academy of Sciences warn. Setting fireworks off on New Year's Eve has long been a tradition in Prague. However, scientists say a complete ban on fireworks should be considered due to the dangerous chemicals they put into the ecosystem. This year, there will not be a large fireworks show in Prague on New Year's Day, due largely to concerns over pollution and injuries to wildlife. Large shows in Prague in the past have led to the deaths of swans and other waterfowl who panicked due to the noise. Pets such as dogs and cats have acute hearing and also are affected by loud noise. To make matters worse, an unimaginable amount of toxic substances have entered the air, which are harmful not only to humans but also to animals and the environment. Fireworks smog consists of a very strange mixture of compounds with a great health risk, which otherwise could not be observed in the atmosphere at all, scientists said. An estimated 12.5 tons of magnesium, 0.8 tons of titanium, 1.2 tons of rubidium, along with copper, sulfur, powdered zinc, and other substances are released into the atmosphere every year. These chemicals reach the lungs, where they can corrode the tissue. Some substances accumulate or are circulated in the body, causing detrimental effects. 接下来是单字与片语的部分，每个单字与片语将会念2次。Ecosystem, ecosystem. Academy, academy. Concern, concern. Waterfowl, waterfowl. Substance, substance. Smog, smog. Mixture, mixture. Compound, compound. Atmosphere, atmosphere. Tissue, tissue. Panic, panicked. Observe, observed. Corrode, corrode. Accumulate, accumulate. Detrimental, detrimental. Has long been pp. Has long been pp. To make matters worse, to make matters worse. Consist of 群体成员 consist of 群体成员。最后是我们的相关图片部分。以上是我们今天的英语新闻内容，我们下次见。